Light and subtle latex bike inner tube for cyclists who require the best performances in race. Extremely lightweight bike tubes designed to bring life to your tires, making them noticeably lighter. Reduce rolling resistance. Latex bicycle tubes are light, subtle and generate low friction on the tire, allowing for maximum speed and performance. Vittoria's latex bicycle inner tube is crafted to provide the utmost stability plus puncture resistance, for a smoother and more durable ride. These tubes will bicycle tube up even through an unexpected pothole slam. This bike inner tube features a 48 mm FV Presta removable valve core for easy sealant refill and inflation plus a conical rubber base to fit all rim profiles. Vittoria is the official tire of USA Cycling. Tire choice of professional riders in the peloton. Winner of Tour de France, Giro d'Italia, Vuelta España, Classics, World Championships, European Championships and Olympic Games. Top reviews from the United States. Best latex tubes I've used. I have used these for probably 5 years now. I love these, I put them in all my fast wheels. They're faster and more comfy than butyl tubes. I also tried the Silka branded latex tubes and the one I got leaked air far more quickly than these Vittorias do. So, Vittoria it is. I may try tubeless on my road bike when my current tires wear out, but until then I'll be rollin' on Vittoria latex.